Welcome to a fresh podcast episode from Oxano Global Services. We keep launching fresh podcast sessions on diverse technology topics, from mobile and web apps to gaming and digital transformation. In this podcast, we will discuss the top reasons to choose Unity 3D for your next game development project. Also, we will review why Unity 3D has become a trending topic among game developers, companies, and investors. To get more updates about our new podcasts, follow and subscribe to our channel. Games are now considerably more popular than anything else, especially among today's youth. There are many games accessible in several categories, from straightforward puzzle games to immersive games built on the metaverse. Although we believe that creating a game is a pretty simple process, numerous things can influence the game's development and subsequent experience. The selection of the appropriate game development platform is the key factor in the entire game creation process. Usually, Unreal and Unity 3D are the two most prominent engines available to developers. Game creators have several alternatives when it comes to the platform for game creation. According to recent studies, Unity 3D has outperformed other game engines and is now the preferred option for investors and game creators. Here, we'll go over why Unity 3D is preferred by game production studios over all other game development platforms. Excellent outcomes at free of cost. Even with a huge budget for game production, you will still handle things effectively. A possible one of them is selecting a gaming engine. The free Unity gaming engine produces outstanding results. Due to its free of cost nature, Unity 3D game development has become very well known. The best feature of this game engine is that it is available online for free and open source use anywhere. Whether you are a seasoned game builder or a relative newbie, you can still achieve excellent results using the Unity game engine's free edition. Although Unity is an entirely free and open source game engine, there are also commercial and premium versions available. Gamers can expect a great user experience and top-notch gaming capabilities for a variety of gaming platforms with the Unity engine's free edition. Therefore, if you think that all free versions produce subpar outcomes, the Unity 3D game engine will consistently disprove your assumption. Robust multi-platform support. Games are designed to be played on a variety of platforms, including iOS, Windows, and Android. Therefore, game development companies must create several versions so that players can enjoy them without any bugs on any device and operating system. With cross-platform capabilities, Unity can reduce the amount of work required from game developers to create mobile game applications that can simultaneously target iOS and Android platforms. The Unity 3D game engine is helpful in quickly promoting the game title while enabling game creators to create several versions for various platforms. Since it offers outstanding support for various formats and platforms, Unity is adored by companies that create mobile and console games. Due to Unity's cross-platform capabilities, any mobile game developer may target a larger audience across many platforms while focusing their efforts on a single game app development project. These reasons make Unity 3D one of the most popular game engines for all kinds of games, including mobile games and PC console-based games. No-brain coding. Complex coding is something that may give any game developer a headache. They wish to focus more on developing feature-rich and graphics-intensive games without getting stumbled into coding languages. The Unity game engine supports several programming languages, including C, JavaScript, and a few more, further distinguishing it from other gaming engines. When using the Unity game engine, game creators with coding skills and command of any of these programming languages can simply produce the desired outcomes. Because of innovation, technology, and tools, game creators can reduce the amount of time, effort, and money that developers must invest in a game. Proactive Unity community. Having strong community support is incredibly important, whether we're talking about simple app development or VR game creation. Any app developers or even game developers frequently get stuck in some spots and require assistance from more experienced developers to overcome the situation. Here, picking the Unity game engine can work wonders. One of the largest developer communities exists for the Unity game engine, which may provide you with a never-ending supply of information for your game development projects. The game developer community can assist you in any area, from debugging the game testing functionalities to giving suggestions that can improve the gaming experience. Supports 2D and 3D game development. The most flexible game engine, Unity, allows for the creation of 2D and even 3D game applications. Above all, the Unity game engine enables you to create incredible 2D games in a matter of hours. The environment is entirely open for game designers and developers to investigate various technologies for 2D and 3D game production. So, we shouldn't ignore the excellent results the platform produces for 2D and 3D game creation while evaluating Unity 3D's capacity for game development. Compatible with advanced technologies. It is safe to assume that the Unity game engine will produce excellent outcomes when it comes to utilizing metaverse, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. The Unity game engine supports the development of 2D and 3D games. The application of these cutting-edge technologies can give gamers an immersive gaming experience, regardless of 2D or 3D games. Additionally, both of these technologies have gradually evolved into the sources of purported 3D games. Fortunately, large gaming projects for 2D and 3D gaming and metaverse gaming may make use of these cutting-edge technologies as well as several others using Unity 3D game development. Unity VR or AR games continue to offer the most realistic and immersive visual gaming experience available. Final words. Numerous game developers opt for Unity despite the platform's fierce competition in the market for game development. Reach out to the top Unity 3D game development companies if you still have questions about the Unity game development platform. They can assist you in selecting the best game engine based on the demands of your project. Oxano Global Services is the leading Unity 3D game development company. We have professional developers who can help you build the best games within a suitable budget. Connect with us soon. Do you have more questions related to the reasons to choose Unity 3D for your upcoming game project? Give us a call or reach out to our game developers now. The best game development agency is just a message away from you. It makes us delighted to create informative podcasts like these and help more listeners with leading gaming, tech, and marketing topics. We will come up with more interesting podcasts soon. Please subscribe to our podcasts to receive notifications when we put up a new episode. Stay tuned with us to stay abreast with the latest technologies, tools, trends, and business patterns. Hold tight with us till then.